And welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is a very exciting video. The doorbell rang and I heard the mail lady come to my house and I quickly ran out and I was like, oh my god, and I saw this in the mail. So I literally was like, okay, get ready. And so I got myself super ready and I was like, I gotta get the lights on, let's go, camera charged, let's go, need to see what's in this box. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole. I do a new video once a week. And for today's video, if you don't know what this is Privilege Clothing. They're Canadian boss babe ladies from Vancouver. And they do box quarterly, I believe. And I think this is the summer box, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I cannot wait to open this because I legit have no idea what's in this box. So this will be a complete surprise as to what's in this box. So anyways, without further ado, if you want to know what's in this box, then please keep on watching. I can't wait. You have no idea. Oh my god. So here's the box. Styleforthepriv. Hashtag boop boop. So this box, I will link the box up. My original one so you can see the details, but it's over $200 worth of our must-have fashion, beauty, and lifestyle obsessions. So by looking at this, I cannot wait. So first thing that I'll pull out is this gray. Oh my god, it's gray. Yes, okay, it's Priv Sport. So Privilege Clothing, they actually have their own clothing line. It's a sport tank and it's $58 on Styleforthepriv or privilegeclothing.com. I will leave everything linked down below on what is happening. I am so excited to wear this and take pictures in. Oh my god, it's like distressed. How cute. Oh my god, I love it. I'm so excited. Oh, that is so amazing. Oh my god, Naked Snacks. So there's 1 and 2. So Naked Snacks, these are $8 a bag. So they're like almonds. So these are maple praline almonds and these are wholesome yogi. I'm not sure. But this one's got, white chocolate chips, almonds, craisins, I feel. Those are the snacks. So those are $8 each. So you get 2. I love healthy snacks. Who doesn't love healthy snacks? You know what I'm saying? And I see is this little guy. Oh, I was like, what? These are Sunbum coconut and watermelon lip balms. And these are $10 each. So I got 2. That is so, I have to rip them. I was gonna be like, let me smell. Oh, open them later. Feel. Okay, so that, oh my god. Okay, so we are kind of stuck up there, but it is a brass and unity charm necklace, which is $60. That is crazy. That's so nice of them. So it's a gold short one. I don't know what it's of. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. So there's the necklace. Oh my god, how cute. This is like really pretty. Like I would seriously wear this. So that is the necklace. That is so nice. It says B and U, which is brass and unity, and the other side has the logo. That's so nice. Malvado size 7 and 8 because I am a solid 8, you guys. And these are in silver. Oh my god. I cannot wait to wear these for pictures. Oh my god, I have so many new things for pictures. I'm so excited. These are the Malvado's Icon sandals and they are $48. So these are them. Cute shoes and it's Malvado's. And it's size 7-8 US. It's Icon Lana Stardust. So that is the, I'm guessing that's what the gray is. So that is awesome. I cannot wait to wear these. I'm so excited. And the last thing, I missed on the Naked Snacks. The Naked Snacks, you get 20% off. And there's a coupon code. You can order online. How nice is that? That's so awesome. Is the Privilege Unicorn Drink Floaty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a drink holder. One moment, please. You guys, how cute is this? Oh my god. I cannot wait. I need to order more of these. I'm gonna put you right here. How about that? You guard those people. Oh my god, you guys, this is an amazing box. If you don't have this box, you need to get it. So I will leave everything linked down below where you can get it. Get it now because they will be selling fast. So all I can say is thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, Privilege Clothing, for making amazing boxes like a shirt, sandals, some lip stuff, a necklace, some freaking snacks, you know what I'm saying? And then a coupon code on top of that, and then a drink floaty. Like, that's crazy. So please give this video a like, thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below on what you want to see in the next video, or if you've bought this box, let me know. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I do weekly videos for you guys, and I've been uploading every Wednesday, so hopefully that helps you guys because it just works with my schedule, I feel. So anyways, with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video.